Okay, so I'm just going to cover a lot of features that WPanel has. This is a full-fledged admin site that you see right now on the screen. And as you can see, this is the main dashboard and this is the admin dashboard. So what you can do here is you can just go here and look at all the campaigns that are being operated right now. So we have finished off 202 campaigns just on this new installation that we've done so far. And you can see that you have all the reports available for download, and similarly you would be able to download the WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp contact here. So whenever someone runs a campaign, you see the campaigns here and then you approve it from this side itself.
And now this is where the dashboard is, where you can actually see what are the campaigns that are being operated right now, and you can basically approve the campaigns or download the reports. Right now I'm downloading the reports, and here are the WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp numbers. I can go and download the delivery report, and as you can see there are a txt file for WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp numbers. And now I'm going to approve a campaign. Once I've approved the campaign, now this campaign is ready to get filtered out, and as you can see now we have this option open which says filter campaigns. I click on it and now the campaign is already being filtered by our system. So all the numbers that are active on WhatsApp are going to be segregated, and the numbers which are not active on WhatsApp would be separated out. And once this process is finished, you can just start up the campaign and send out the messages that you want to run on your campaign. Now, as you can see that the campaign is finished, like the numbers are filtered out, and I'm going to start up another campaign approval process. Now the campaign is approved, and similarly I can click on filter campaign, and then now the system will go out and then filter out all the numbers that are active on WhatsApp and numbers which are not active on WhatsApp, so that we can run a campaign on those numbers also. And this is done again, and I go approve another campaign. Filter the campaign once again. Now, as you can see, the filtration process is now again complete, and we go out and completely search out and filter out all the campaigns in the list, and these are the list of campaigns that we have. Okay.